Hey guys, Britt here, and I just got some exciting new packages in from Viking Bags that I can't wait to show you. Trying to cure my winter blues and get ready for the riding season. I plan to do a lot more longer rides this season and some traveling, so let's unbox these and see what I got. Yay! So excited. This is the Iron Blade 25-inch sissy bar. And this is going to look so good on my 24 lowrider S. Should be a super easy install. Bolting to the fender strut. I cannot wait. It's very heavy, sturdy steel. I think this, just loosen it. And then this will come down. Yeah. Here it is. Oh, I'm so excited. Now, this box, I'm super excited for. Oh my gosh, this is so much bigger than I thought it would be. This is the Dagr extra large sissy bar bag. And oh my goodness, the quality. That is so sturdy. The zippers feel so nice. Wow. Oh, that's nice. So the bag just doesn't flop down. You have these latches that hook on to the front. You can take those off. So we can see what's inside. Inside the front, you've got a zipper mesh compartment here. And you've also got a little pocket. And actually, it's quite roomy in there. And here, oh, this is another bag that actually buckles on the top of the bag for more storage space. That's nice that you don't have to have it on there if you don't need that extra space at the time. Nice. And it latches on there. These little loops. Very nice. Oh, cool. This is the straps. So you can carry it as a backpack, I'm guessing. Oh, and we got the rain cover in case you get stuck out in the rain. Very nice. And we got straps. Help it strap on to the sissy bar. Let's look at the side pockets. Oh, there's so much room there. The other side, we've got another pocket. Very nice. It's got a bar back here, so you can change the size in case your sissy bar is a different size. It's not stuck to one size sissy bar. Very nice. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so sturdy. Viking Bags just has incredible quality accessories for bikes. I'm so pleased with my bags. So I was so excited to get these in and to find out that they made sissy bars and sissy bar bags. And this is going to look so good. Stay tuned. I'm going to get this sissy bar on and we'll see how this looks on my bike. See you guys soon. Okay, so first things first, I'll need to take off my bags, which Viking makes that really easy with their quick mount system. Then I removed the bolts and screws that held the bags in place and applied the sissy bar over the fender strut before reattaching the bolts and screws for the quick mount system for my saddlebags. Super easy install, no issues at all during this process. There we have it. The sissy bar is fully on now. I'm going to try out the luggage rack. You just have to twist the little screw down at the bottom and it comes down easily. It looks so nice! Next, I'm going to attach the Dagr sissy bar bag to the sissy bar. To do this, I used the loops that it came with. I clipped them onto the bag and looped them around the sissy bar and tightened them until I felt the bag was secure. This is something I'm probably going to have to play around with and get better at applying to the sissy bar before I go on my first trip. But yeah, it's pretty simple, straightforward. I truly could not be more happy with the quality, look, and functionality of this sissy bar bag and sissy bar. I cannot wait to use it this summer when I go on my first trip. Thank you, Viking Bags, and if you want to check these out, go to vikingbags.com. See you next time.